How to create a new terminal in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you easily create it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Now here, you'll be able to find different options. Here, there's an option called terminal. Simply tap on terminal. And here, there are different options. On the top, there is new terminal. Simply tap on new terminal. And as you can see, a new terminal has been opened. Now you can easily start a terminal, and here on the bottom you'll be able to see the output too. So this is how you create a new terminal in Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.